Happy New Year!
Happy New Year 2023, everybody. December a year ago, we added solar power to our farm and homestead, trying to live the most sustainable, regenerative life that we can.
And this year we've taken the next step. So let's introduce you to the newest member of our family. So here she is. She's a dark blue Tesla Model Y. She's a long range model. And so far, she's pretty fun to drive. We've only had her a few days. She doesn't have a name yet. When the license plate comes in, she'll probably get a name then. This is our newest project.
Newest adventure. So far, the solar panels don't have any trouble with it at all. Enjoy the show.